Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can turn $10, a one-time $10 investment, into over $12,000, right? You're probably thinking, oh man, I ain't trying to hear this. Here we go. Trust me on this one. This is a dope opportunity. If you're into affiliate marketing, network marketing, trying to get a passive income, whatever, this is, trust me on this one. All right. Now, literally 2 days ago, a new program got launched called Virtual Cashflow System. This is by internet marketer Danny Cash. Now, I've gotten several of Danny's programs in the past, and this is how I know this is legit. Like, this is a real opportunity. When I saw she released this, I'm like, all right, let me check it out. Boom, boom, boom. Once I saw how the system worked, I had to jump in. I had to jump in ASAP. All right, so what I'm gonna do right now is throw you over to Danny so she can actually share with you exactly how you can take $10 and turn it into over $12,000. And actually, she even shows you how to even make more than that, right? But listen, if you're watching this video and you're one of the people like, man, I'm really looking for a real way to start making some money online. I'm looking for an affiliate program. I'm looking for an opportunity that I can get multiple streams of income. This is it. All right. So $10. So get your $10. Get started. Trust me on this one. You're gonna wanna get involved with this because it's brand new. All right, like it literally, I just finished setting up my system like 4 hours ago, and I'm super excited about it. That's why I'm making this video, because I went through it. My system's set up, all ready to go. I'm all ready for multiple streams of income, and I'm super excited about it. So that can be you. So watch the rest of this video. Once you get signed up, I will personally reach out to you and help you get set up in every way I can to make sure you can make the most amount of money possible. All right, so watch the rest of this video and get started. Take action right now.
All right, in this video, I'm going to be giving you a demonstration on how the virtual cash flow system works. All right, now within the system, there are 4 levels to each stage, and there are 3 stages, and everyone begins at stage 1, level 1. All right, so you are starting with a $10 investment. All right, so when you begin stage 1, level 1, you are going to send that $10 to your upline. Okay, and that is going to unlock your level 1, and you will be able to receive 4 payments in return. Okay, so once you receive 4 payments, that is a total of $40 that is paid to you directly to the wallet of your choice. Okay, so what you're going to use is that $40 to upgrade to level 2, and this is not coming out of your pocket. Remember, what came out of your pocket was the initial $10 investment. All right, so from the $40 that you have earned, this is profit, and you're going to use that to upgrade to level 2. All right, so when you get to level 2, that is $20 to upgrade. All right, and this $20 goes to the second upline above your sponsor. Okay, so that is how this works. So the first level goes to the first upline, and then the $20 level goes to the second upline. Okay, and that is going to unlock your level 2. And so on your level 2, that is the second level, and it's 16 payments of $20. Okay, so now you get to earn on level 2 and collect 16 payments, $20 payments paid directly to you. And that is a total of $320. So now you're going to do the same thing. You're going to take that $320 and you're going to upgrade to level 3. Okay, so level 3 is a $30 payment, and that goes to your third upline. Okay, so now you have your first level, your second level, and now you're on your third level. All right, so once you have paid your third up line, the $30, now you have unlocked level 3, and that is 64 payments. So now you're going to get 64 payments from your third level, $30 payments, okay? So what that's going to equal is $1,920. So now you want to continue to upgrade to the next level, okay? So you're going to take your $1,920, you're going to take $40 of that, and you're going to upgrade to level 4. All right, so you guessed it, from level 4, that $40 payment goes to your fourth upline. Okay, so now you have unlocked level 4, and that is 256 payments that will come to you. That is $40, okay, on level 4. All right, and that is a total of $10,240 that will be paid to you on level 4. All right, so then you will do the same thing. You will take the payment out of that commission, out of those commissions, and you will go to stage 2 and complete the same process. Now, once you have completed stage 1 altogether, you will have earned altogether $12,520, okay? And that is a total of 340 people that will have completed all 4 levels of stage 1. And these people are going to continue to follow you into stage 2. And hopefully you can see the vision and see just the potential of the income that you can make when you are in this platform and following this simple steps, just going from level to level, using your commissions to upgrade, okay? And you have more than enough to get to stage 3, all right? So everyone that follows this video, I'm wishing you much success. This is just super exciting. All you have to do is take your time, refer your 4 people and continue through the levels and just watch the different commissions come in every single day. All right. Thanks for joining the Virtual Cashflow System, and I wish you much success.